This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by ljones. Excellent opportunity to own a super low maintenance, no fee condo at a move-in ready 3-unit with 2 bedrooms and 1/12 bath fully renovated. The big kitchen has lots of cabinets and stainless steel appliances and an open concept living area. The primary bedroom is a great size. The backyard is privacy fenced. Call the listing agent today for a private showing. 2 other units for sale with MLS numbers number 10,529,729 and #10529733202400426. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Jones at 210-347-6162.